Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off two-factor authorization on Instagram. First, open Instagram. Go to the bottom and click on the profile icon. Then click on the three horizontal lines. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account Center. Here, click on Password and Security. Now, click on Two-Factor Authorization. After that, choose your account. Now, you can see two-factor authorization is on. In this account, I have protected my account with a text-to-phone number. So, click on Text Message and then disable this toggle. After that, click on Turn Off. Now, your two-factor authorization has been turned off. That's the way to turn off two-factor authorization on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.